Well, I just love Screencast-o-matic. I've been using Screencast-ify, and this is a fantastic tool, so I think I'll be using this now. 15 minutes, that's fabulous. So here's what I'm going to show you today on my Screencast-o-matic recording. A couple people have already done some cool tech tips. This is two things on my extensions. You can see I have this whole row of extensions up here because I'm such a fan of Google. The one that you're seeing right now, this one's called Toby, and that's this extension here. And Toby is like one tab for collecting all the tabs that you have open into a shareable, organized plan. It turns it basically into a web page, and I have all of these fun things in my Toby, and you can have them open or you can have them closed. But over on the right here, you can see what other tabs I have open, and if I want to collect them, I can just click the button and it collects them into one tab or one page, and then I can label it and keep it open or keep it closed as I so choose. The other one that I want to show you is just interesting because of the Zoom meeting about Edpuzzle and how we're going to look at Edpuzzle, but we better be careful about the videos that we use. Well, I have the Edpuzzle extension, and it just lets me go to YouTube and choose a video. You'll see some of the videos that my kids have watched. But so I teach Global 2. If I go into my Modern Asia playlist and click on the Sun Yixuan, Modern China, blah, 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 right here, because I have that extension, it says that I can make the video into an Edpuzzle just by clicking that button. So I'm really interested to see what's going to happen regarding copyright, because I might be violating copyright. Ugh. So there's my Screencast-o-matic. This is such a great tool. Why haven't I used this before? Fantastic. Thank you.